Hi there, my name is Seth and I'm a product specialist here at Mobile Patient Lift. Today, I'll show you how to assemble the Sidekick Shower Chair. It's a 3-in-1 bathing and commode chair designed for safe, dignified use in both home and care environments. Its lightweight, water-resistant design makes it perfect for daily use in the shower, over the toilet, or as a transport chair. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to assemble the Sidekick Shower Chair now. Now before you begin, lock the wheels on the chair to keep it stable during assembly. First, take the backrest of the chair and insert it into the slots located at the back of the frame. Push down firmly until it clicks into place and turn the knobs to secure the backrest in place. Next, lower each armrest into position and lock them using the pull pins on either side. Now locate the footrest attachments. Slide the footrest into the frame on each side until secure like so. Once everything is locked in, double check all components to make sure they are secure. Lastly, you're going to slide the commode bucket under the seat and add the seat cover. And just like that, the Sidekick Shower Chair is fully assembled and ready to provide safe and comfortable support during any of your daily activities. Now let's talk about installing the wheelchair kit. Start by locking the wheels of the Sidekick so it remains in place during the installation. Then locate the rear openings in the back legs of the chair, inserting the extension thread adapters into the rear leg openings. Make sure the screw side is facing inward. This is important for locking the wheels in place later. Hold the adapter steady and slide the wheel axle through the frame until it comes out the other side. Next, let's install the wheel brakes. You're going to remove the nuts and washers from the brake bolts. Then insert the bolts into the openings near the seat and reattach the washer and nut to lock them into place. Once both wheels and brakes are installed, check that everything is aligned and secure. And that's it. Your Sidekick Shower Chair now functions as a self-propelled wheelchair, ready to support mobility and comfort in the shower or around the home. Now, as always, we hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you happen to have any additional questions about the Sidekick Shower Chair or are simply looking to find out more about our products, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.